In today's video, I'm going to show you how Laravel routing works. By default, when you first create your project, you will find the default route here inside the web.php file where you can create your web routes. This default route consists of two things: a HTTP method, which is going to be a get method most of the time, and a callback function. Inside the get method, we can specify the URI, and when the specified URI is called, the callback function gets executed. In this example, we have an empty URI, which means every time the URI is empty, the blade file welcome is going to be called. If we would specify something in the URI, like for instance /welcome, and then we would refresh the page, we wouldn't get anything because the URI is empty and we haven't specified anything. We haven't specified a callback function for the empty URI, so that's why we are not getting anything. If we would add /welcome, then we will get the blade file welcome back. But that is not the only thing that we can return in the callback function. We can also return a normal string as well, like for example, hello world. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to delete all of this and I'm going to replace it with a normal string, hello world. I'm going to save this and I'm going to refresh the page. As you can see, we are getting hello world back. What we can also return inside the callback function is HTML tags. So I'm going to put all of this inside h1 tag. So save this and then refresh the page. As you can see, you will get these h1 elements with hello world back. So let's bring the welcome blade back. In Laravel, when building web applications, we are also often required to capture parameters given in the URI. Like for example, we would throw something to the user based on the URI parameters. So just to show you an example, I'm going to create a new route, get, and inside this route I'm going to write id/id inside the curly braces, and then I'm going to write down the callback function. So make sure inside the callback function we'll get this id parameter. And then we'll echo out id is id. So I'm going to save this. I forgot the semicolon. So I'm going to save this, and inside the URI on the browser I'm going to type id/ something like 21. We are not getting anything. This might be because we should write it in uppercase. So id, and as you can see we're getting id is 21 echoed out. So if we would change 21 to 22, we would obviously get id is 22. So that is for today's video. Leave a like and a subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.